Hey, it's Nick here with Convos, and thank you for stopping by and checking out this quick video. I want to share with you how we've set up this new LionDesk integration to allow you to send your messenger leads over to LionDesk and update them and keep that data going. I'd also love to get any feedback you have, how you're using Messenger and how you're using LionDesk, so we can make this a stronger integration both directions. So with that said, let's go ahead and hop in here. I'm going to show you real quick our contacts that we have in the LionDesk. And let's see here, boom, boom, boom. All right, Nick Jensen, Grandpa Simpson, Hallie Jensen. So what we've got here is we use, when you're setting up your Convos account and you want to go over to your tools and integrations, you should see LionDesk here. Now, we've already connected this, but to connect with it, all it does is it takes you to LionDesk, logs you in, and then brings you back to Convos to finish setup. Now, we add a few custom fields in there that you can see in some other videos. We add some Convos as a source for you, and then we add a few custom fields right now to be stored there. So the way this works now is if you have your rules set up to send a contact to Convos, so that happens in your contacts manager here. If you've not set that up yet, it'll show up as you've not set this up, and it'll give you instructions as to how to set that up. But basically, we've got a external request, and we send the full subscriber data, and we do this right now. We've got a rule here. If you've downloaded the most recent template, it includes this rule. So anytime you get a new subscriber, custom field of email has changed, phone has changed, or full address has changed. So what happens then is if we have somebody in our audience, let's find, let's just find somebody here. Doesn't really matter, I suppose. Let's see. So this one, let's go ahead and add a email to you. So I'll show you what happens when this email enters, right? So let's go demo at sparkconvos.com. Okay. So we've got that demo has happened. So what's going to happen here is we're going to go over here and we're going to see that Adam, this guy that we just added, was added here. And if we go over to LionDesk and look at our contacts, we will see that Adam was added here. And if we go here, we've got this email there. We don't have a phone number for him, so it wasn't updated there, but it's got his Convos ID, cost of sale, home value, since he doesn't have those data. But if we go through here and as I'll go ahead and make some more updates too. So we'll go ahead and say cost of sale. So we've got that data is 50,000. And then we'll go to home valuation, which is set to 545, 123. And then if we go ahead and add his phone number as and we apply that. So now his phone number has been updated, and that follows within the rules. And we can go over here and we can actually see that he now has a phone number that's been added. We've added those custom field values as well. So it's really that simple. Everything that happens based on rules, we handle all the hard part, finding if the contact already exists. If that contact does exist, we'll update the contact. If it does not exist, we'll go ahead and we'll create a new contact. So let me know what questions you have and how you're using LionDesk as well, because we'd love to make this a deeper integration, but as of right now, this is the base of where we got started, so we can bring your contacts in there. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have questions.